All right, this time we are going to look at how to add images and manipulate them a little bit in our Google site. And so you can see here I already have an image added, and images are super easy to work with. We click them to get the blue lines around, and then we can drag it to size. We can also drag it around the page, so I can center it, I can pull it far to the right, I can make it smaller. There's tiny little lines in the background, and it will snap into those lines. So if we want to add a new image, a couple ways to do it. One is to go into the images icon in the top right hand corner, and if we double click there, we can upload. If we have an image, let's add this one in our drive or our computer, we can add an image that way. Again, we can resize it, and we can also get the shortcut to images. We can add from Google Drive. We get all of our Google Drive options. If I use this link option, I can take an image from the internet, and it does note that we have to have the license to use it. They want us to be good digital citizens. I can go to my Google Photos, and I can also use Google Image Search. So if I wanted to go SDG hunger, because this is my hunger page, I could take this icon for this particular sustainable development goal, and I can put that on the page.